In this video, we will study the fault codes for Carrier and Thermo King brands that appear when the transport refrigeration equipment fails to maintain the desired temperature inside the refrigerated space within a reasonable period of time. The Carrier manufacturer usually identifies this issue with alarm code 53. Meanwhile, the Thermo King manufacturer identifies it with code 26. Details on the possible causes of the issue for both brands. A. Poorly sealed or open doors. Ensure all doors are properly closed, and check that the seals are in good condition to prevent cold air leaks. B. Defrost cycle. Make sure the automatic defrost cycle is functioning properly. If necessary, initiate a manual cycle to confirm that the system can remove frost buildup on the evaporator. Excessive frost accumulation can block airflow through the evaporator coil or the internal unit, leading to insufficient cooling. C. Low refrigerant pressure. Check the system pressure to confirm it is within the normal range. Low pressure could indicate refrigerant leaks or insufficient flow. D. Insufficient airflow in the evaporator coil or internal unit. Inspect the evaporator grills and fans to ensure they are not obstructed. Additionally, verify that the fan is spinning correctly at the proper speed. E. Sensor issues. Faulty temperature or pressure sensors can trigger alarms even when no actual system failure is present. Verify the calibration and functionality of key sensors in the system. To check a temperature sensor, it is recommended to disconnect it and use a multimeter set to the kilo-ohm scale to measure its electrical resistance, which should never be zero or infinite. Additionally, if you have the resistance versus temperature table for the temperature sensor, you can compare the values measured with the multimeter to those in the table. F. Block pipes, hoses, or expansion valve. Blockages in these components may prevent refrigerant from reaching the coil of the internal unit. Check the equipment's pressures, keeping in mind that blockages in pipes can sometimes cause frost to form on the outer part of the tubing. G. Dirty condenser coil. Ensure the exterior coil is thoroughly cleaned. Also, verify proper airflow through this part of the equipment. Remember, problems with the condenser often lead to higher than normal operating pressures, which can also be checked with a high pressure gauge.